Let's be honest for a second. You open your assignment and you say, write a 250-word essay, and your brain goes, 250 words? That's like writing 1,000 books in a library. So you think, why should I even write this when ChatGPT exists? I get it, really. Writing feels hard. Your mind feels empty. Your motivation disappears. And suddenly, 250 words feels like a PhD dissertation. But here's the truth.
You're not writing essays because teachers are evil.
You're writing essays because your brain needs training. ChatGPT can write for you, but it can't think for you. And in exams, universities, and real life, you're still the one who has to think. And also, can we agree on something? This is not 1,000-book library. It's just one normal, small, cute essay about 250 words. That's like one long Instagram caption with punctuation marks. I know what your brain is like when you write an essay. This idea? No, wait, that idea? Oh, also this, and sometimes no idea. Your essay? Confused, screaming. A disorganized essay is like a messy room. The bed is in the kitchen, the socks are in the fridge, and somehow the ideas are under the table. Today, we're going to clean up your cause essay and put every idea where it belongs to. Introduction, body, and conclusion without losing your mind. Now let's see some of the main causes of some problems. There are 3 reasons why I'm usually tired. Scrolling on my phone for 5 minutes, that turns into 2 hours. Saying, one more episode, 5 times. Drinking coffee at 9 p.m. and then wondering why sleep hates me. My phone battery is always dead. 6 hours on social media, 0 hour on productivity. 27 open apps running in the background. Forgetting the charger at home. Again, I'm always late. Thinking I still have time. I never do. Changing my outfit 3 times at the last minute. Trusting public transport a bit too much. I can't start writing my essay, waiting for inspiration like it's a magical creature, overthinking the first sentence for 40 minutes, cleaning my room, desk, phone, and soul instead of writing. See, every problem has multiple causes. A cause essay is just this, but organized, clear, and in full sentences and paragraphs. But sometimes you might confuse a cause essay with an effect essay. Now let's consider some of the effects of the problems we have. You remember, I'm usually tired. But what happens because of this? So, when I'm tired, I can't focus in class or at work. I make silly mistakes and I need more coffee, which makes sleep even worse. What about the second problem? My phone battery is always dead. So, I miss important calls or messages. My alarm doesn't ring, so being late again, I panic when I need Google Maps. I'm always late, so I feel stressed and rushed all the time. People stop trusting my time promises, and my day starts with guilt instead of coffee. I can't start writing my essay, so the deadline gets dangerously close. The quality of my writing becomes worse, and I start hating the assignment and sometimes myself. In general, causes answer, why does this problem happen? And effects answer, what happens because of this problem? If you mix them, your essay goes totally confused. In other words, causes are the reasons and effects are the results. Mix them up and your essay becomes as messy as your study desk. A quick question. How many of us have said, I have no money, while holding a coffee and scrolling on our phones? Exactly. So today we're not judging anyone, we're just analyzing the causes of a very modern problem. Why people are usually broke. And we want to write a 250 essay about it. What about our structure? An academic cause essay has 3 main parts: an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. In the introduction paragraph, we pull the reader in and tell them what we will talk about. In body paragraphs, we need to explain the causes clearly, one by one. And in the conclusion paragraph, we need to wrap everything up and sound smart at the end. In the introduction paragraph, we need to have a hook sentence, we paraphrase the question, and finally we write our thesis statement, which clearly mentions our 3 main reasons. Then we need to have 3 body paragraphs that each of them starts with a topic sentence and continues with supporting sentences. And finally, in our conclusion paragraph, we restate the topic, we give a summary of our reasons, and finally, we add our own personal opinion. Now, let's write our essay together. As you can see, in our introduction paragraph, we have 3 different parts: hook, paraphrase of the topic, and our thesis statement. So, we can write like this. Many people reach the end of the month and ask themselves the same painful question: where did all my money go? Surprisingly, this question is often asked while holding a takeaway coffee and checking an online shopping app. As you can see, our hook sentence here can raise our readers' interest and can probably make them interested in reading more. Then, we need to paraphrase the topic. Being broke is a common problem in modern life, especially among students and young adults, and it's not always caused by low income. And finally, our thesis statement, in which we need to mention our 3 main causes. In fact, people are usually broke because of poor spending habits, lack of financial planning, and the influence of modern consumer culture. These are exactly the 3 causes that we will explain one by one. Also, consider this point that in our introduction paragraph, we usually start with general ideas and we narrow them down to more specific ones. Now let's write our body paragraphs, each one including 1 reason, starting with a topic sentence and followed by supporting sentences, including examples, details, and more explanations. Let's start with body paragraph 1. One important reason why many people are usually broke is their poor spending habits. Many individuals spend money on small daily items without realizing how quickly these costs add up. For example, buying coffee, snacks, or food delivery every day may seem cheap, but at the end of the month, these small expenses become a very big problem. In addition, some people often buy things they do not really need, simply because they are on sale or look attractive online. As a result, money is spent quickly, while savings remain almost impossible. In the second body paragraph, we write about the second reason, which is the lack of financial planning. Another major cause of being broke is the lack of basic financial planning. Many people do not create a budget and do not track their expenses, which means they have no clear idea where their money goes. Without a plan, it becomes easy to spend too much time at the beginning of the month and struggle at the end. For instance, some people use some of their money in the first 2 weeks and then depend on instant noodles for the rest of the month. This situation shows that the problem is not always income, but rather how money is managed. In the third paragraph, we write about the third reason, which is the consumer culture and social pressure. A third reason why people are often broke is the strong influence of consumer culture and social pressure. Today, social media constantly shows new clothes, new gadgets, and perfect lifestyles, which makes people feel they should buy more to be happier or more successful. Many individuals spend money to keep up with others or to feel better for a short time. However, this kind of spending usually brings only temporary satisfaction and long-term financial stress. Consequently, people remain stuck in a cycle of buying, regretting, and being broke again. In the conclusion paragraph, we need to restate the topic, give a summary of causes, and add our personal opinion or a final comment. In conclusion, being broke is a common problem that affects many people in modern society. This situation is mainly caused by poor spending habits, a lack of financial planning, and the pressure of consumer culture. In my opinion, learning to control spending and planning money wisely are more important than earning more money. because even a high salary can disappear quickly without good financial habits. Therefore, a little planning today can save a lot of stress at the end of the month. Now it's your turn to write an essay. Here is a really useful essay topic you can practice with. Why students struggle to use advanced vocabulary correctly? Write a short cause essay about this, introduction, 3 causes, and a conclusion. And if you want help with this exact problem, I actually have a collocation book that makes this much easier. If you write this essay and email me, I will send you my collocation book PDF for free, so you can stop guessing which words go together and start writing more natural essays. So your task is simple. Write a short cause essay on this topic, email it to me, and I'll send you the collocation book PDF as a gift.